Hi everyone, my name is David and today we are going to build together a cool application for iOS which is going to be a shopping list application. We are going to start from the scratch and once we finish, the application will be ready to upload to AppStore. I have already done the application and right now you can find it on AppStore. I'm going to show you how to download if you want. But right now I'm going to just show you how the application works and what exactly we are going to build, so you can get an idea what we are doing here. I don't expect you to know anything about iOS development or Xcode or Swift, but if you know anything about it, if you have built some application previously, this will be much easier for you to follow. Anyhow, let's just jump into the application and I'm going to show you the end result of our course. So let's navigate to my iPhone here. I have it on, it's running on iOS 10.3 on my iPhone 6s, and this is my application Pro Shopping List. So when I open it, let me log out first. This is the first screen you are going to see to log in case if you have forgotten password, you can request it, or to sign up. This will bring another view for you to sign up. Right, I'm going to log in. This is a dummy account for test. Sign in, and once we log in, we can see our all lists here. Every time a user wants to create a shopping list, let's say you want to go for shop, you can just click on plus icon. It asks you for the name, test name here. Click save, and our test name shopping list appears here. As you can see, we have a total items and total price of our shopping list, and also the date it was created. Let's go to the one I have created previously so I can show you how the interface looks. On the top left we have the items left to buy, so it's in our shopping list, and on top right we have total price of our shopping list, what we have added. So we have two table sections here: the shopping list that we have to buy and the bought items that we already bought. So in case you have bought, let's say, potatoes, you can just slide from left to right and click buy, and it will disappear from our shopping list and appear in our bought items. So like this is our shopping basket here, and then the items left also gets updated. In case if you want to put something back, you can again slide to right and return the item. Also we can delete item if you have noticed. This nice cool application, these slide animations we are going to do together. Then you can add also items picture to your shopping items. By clicking on it, you can edit the item, and then you can, let's say, you can change pineapple to be big. Click save. Now our pineapple is big. This grocery basket here is the default image in case if you didn't put any image for your item, it will appear as a default image. Then we can also add an item. When you click new item here, it will show you the same screen as we had for editing, and here you can add your item, or you can say search item. Here we have our often used items. So let's say you are shopping every week and you are buying an orange juice. You don't need to type it every time. You just come here, hit it, and it will appear in your shopping list. Then on the bottom middle we have my items. This is the part we were just now. You can add any items here. So these are the often used items. Also, as you can see, we can search here. If I tab and search, for example, for apples, it appears. We also can click and edit, for example, the price here. Click save and it becomes €3. We can add, as I said, and usually when you add a new item here, for example, let's add tomato extra info, let's say red, quantity 2, price 1.5, and when I click save, it asks me if I want to add this to my my items which I'm using often. So if I click yes, it will add to my list here, and plus it will add the tomatoes to my list here. So I can just next time I can come and click on it and it will add to my list. Also, we have settings section here. You can choose a currency. I have few of mainly used ones. And you have a sign out button. When you click, you can sign out. Every user that is signed into our application, the application is using Firebase, which is a real-time database. Let's say you went to shopping and your wife gave you the shopping list, and for some reason she forgot to add something to the list. She can just open the application, add something to your list, and in real time it will appear in your shopping list. And she can also follow which items you have bought or which items you have you need to still buy. So this is the application we are going to build together. So if you like it and you want to learn how to build this cool application and upload to AppStore, you can subscribe to my class and we are going to build it together. Also, let me quickly show you, this is on AppStore. We go to AppStore, search Pro Shopping List. Let me see if I can find it. Here it is. So this is the application. As you can see, I have downloaded it already, but you can come and download it if you want, so you can see what we are going to build together. So as I said, this is the application. I hope you liked the introduction and you are going to join my class. Trust me, we are going to have really fun time together building this application, and you are going to learn a lot of it. Thank you for watching. See you soon.